Hi, I'm Angela with SkipperBud's here in Lake Fenton, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful Lusso 25U TT. It's an ultra lounger Tri-Toon, 3 27-inch tubes, and 150 horsepower Mercury on the back. The color on the exterior is black diamond and matte black, so it's very sharp. And you have really long benches here in the front, plenty of room to lounge. Faux teak flooring with the lines. A lot of people like that look. Armrest. This seat goes in multiple positions. Those come standard with an elevated helm. You can see it's absolutely gorgeous. Got your fuses right here. Nice glove box, lockable. And then as always, all the Barlettas are pet friendly, guys. The boats have 3 in-floor storages. The first one in the front is for your anchor. No other manufacturer does this, guys. And this one is made perfectly to fit your cooler, so when you're at the sandbar, you can just reach in, grab your drink, and you don't even have to get on the boat. You have deck space in the back. You have 150 horsepower Mercury, and you can see you have the chains and the safety rail back here, and everyone can sit back here safely while you're under power and legally. You have a ski tow bar as well to pull your tubers. Every Barletta is also equipped with a power bimini. And you can see here, they have specially designed an extra rail for it to sit on. No vibration is the whole point of these boats, quiet. All of the Barlettas come standard with an amp and a subwoofer. So you have all the sound system that you need. We have doggy dock doors. You can see right out of the side door. Barletta's Ultra Lounger, which is so comfortable and luxurious. It goes into 6 different positions. You can lie flat on it, you can face forward, back, or you can have it set up for people to sit forward. The helm is absolutely gorgeous. Tilt steering right here. Five-inch Simrad, stereo head, wireless phone charger, and then of course your gauge is here. Toggles on the left.